Biskoot Ambade. It's a bit different version of our medu vada. But again, once again, it's really tasty. Usually for medu vada, there will be a hole on the center, but for this Biskoot Ambade, it is just a big balls type. Its usual combination is as a side dish, chutney, sambar or pickle, etc. Usually this is prepared in our festivals, in our functions and all as a spicy item. Now let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. Now main item what we need is urd, that is urd dal. Now this urd dal you have to prepare in a bit different way. I have kept it for 1 hour soaking, and after that I grind it in a grinder rather than mixie, because in a mixie you can grind anything but you have to add water. But for this ambade, no water is added because you want to have it solidly. So I have grinded it in a grinder, and only 80% grinding is necessary. You need not make it into a thin paste. Here only 80% grinding. That's the main thing between medu vada and Biskoot Ambade. Now let us see the rest of the items, ingredients. I have taken little coriander leaves, little green chili, ginger, little copra sliced into small pieces like this, little coconut scraped, salt to taste, and little asafoetida. First, you have to mix everything together in a basin, and then you have to prepare the dough. Now let us see how to prepare the dough. Now first, you have to pass on this dough towards this basin. Now one by one you have to add along with it. First I am adding this green chili. Now this ginger, coriander leaves, coconut scrape, copra, then coconut scrape. Now this coconut scrape, salt to taste, and asafoetida. Now without adding any water, you have to mix properly and make the dough. Now the pan is preheated and the oil is ready. Now we will start preparing Biskoot Ambade one by one. It's better you wet your hands once in a way, because then it won't stick out in a hand like this. In between, just do like this so that each and every ambada will get separated and gets fried separately fast. A medium flame is necessary at this time. Once the oil is heated, you can reduce the gas and go with the medium heat. Now we will just lift it. It is almost 75% over. We will just lift it, and once again we will mix it after 5 minutes. We will cook the rest after some time, 1 minute. And ambada means in our language it is hot lump. Half plum is usually round in color, ball style. So I think because of that, this particular one is known as Biskoot Ambade. Whatever it is, it's really tasty item. No oil, nothing, so dry and very tasty. If you have it once, every time when you go to some restaurants, you will order only and only Biskoot Ambade. So nice. So everybody try at least once and let me know about your comments through the comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.